Copper's double edge in sustainable infrastructure. Copper is indispensable to electrification. It powers EVs, solar arrays, wind turbines, and modern grids. Yet its production footprint and growing supply risk poses challenges for sustainable infrastructure development. Powering the transition. The global copper products market is projected to grow from $375.47 billion in 2025 to $645.86 billion by 2035 at a 5.6% CAGR, according to Markets and Markets. This growth tracks surging demand from renewable energy and building electrification sectors. Each megawatt of solar capacity requires about 5.5 tons of copper, while onshore wind projects average 2.8 to 6.4 tons per megawatt. Offshore wind systems use even more due to undersea cabling and substations. Where the shine fades, copper's environmental cost begins long before it reaches a transformer or busbar. Mining waste. According to a 2019 article in Science, more than 3,500 active tailings dams exist worldwide, many aging and poorly monitored. Structural failures can unleash millions of cubic meters of toxic sludge, contaminating rivers and farmland. Air pollution. Smelters in Zambia's copper belt have recorded sulfur dioxide levels exceeding health standards, prompting documented respiratory issues in nearby communities. Geotechnical hazards. Utah's Bingham Canyon slide moved 265 million tons of material and cost up to $1 billion in remediation. The U.S. EPA also flags copper mining and processing wastes as TENERM, naturally occurring radioactive materials concentrated by industrial activity, requiring careful disposal. Managing the risk. The industry is adopting stronger verification systems to mitigate these impacts. The Copper Mark and IRMA, Initiative for Responsible Mining Assurance, provide independent, site-level audits of labor, environment, and community performance. A consolidated mining standard initiative launched in 2025 is aligning criteria across 600 operations in 60 countries for simpler ESG compliance. Recycling saves 85% of the energy used in primary mining and now meets 30% of annual global demand, avoiding roughly 40 megatons CO2 each year. Procurement teams can lower embodied impacts by specifying minimum recycled content, sourcing only from Copper Mark or IRMA-assured producers, and substituting aluminum for long-distance transmission lines where performance allows. The strategic balance, copper's superior conductivity and durability make it essential for decarbonization, but the sector's social and ecological costs cannot be ignored. As global demand may double by 2040, infrastructure planners face a dual imperative: secure enough copper to electrify economies while ensuring it is mined, refined, and recycled within credible ESG boundaries. You've been listening to Sustainability Soundbites presented by E+E Leader. For partnership opportunities, reach out to a member of our team.